Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I just did a pickup order at Walgreens this week, and I'm gonna get everything you see behind me for 30 cents. So if you wanna see more Walgreens videos, give it a great big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's check out how I did this. Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I wanted to drop on here and I'm thinking about starting a new Walgreens series. So I have for the last 2 weeks been doing a Walgreens pickup order and doing really well. And so I didn't know if you all would be interested in seeing this. So we're gonna do the one that I did this week. It is from January 16th through the 22nd of 2022. And this is a really awesome deal. All of these items that I will definitely be using. And I just wanted to share how this all turned out for me. So let's look at what is going on this week. So before we do anything, I want you to make sure that you are already a member of Rakuten. If you're not, I have a whole tutorial video. I'll link it in the description box below. But when you're doing these online orders, you want to make sure you start out in Rakuten and that you are going to be using that first because you're going to get extra money back. In fact, this week, Rakuten was 9% back on your online orders at Walgreens, which is really good because the very first week I did it, I think it was only 3% back. So we did much better this week getting more money back. So if you are not familiar with Rakuten, you want to make sure you check out the tutorial video. And if you have not signed up for Rakuten, please use my referral code in the description box below. All right, so let's check out what is happening at Walgreens this week. And you can do this online. It's super easy. Let's talk about the very first freebie here, the Total Colgate. You want to grab 2 of them. So this week, they are regularly priced just $3.99. So when you grab 2 of them, that's going to take you up to $7.98. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Load that. You're going to pay out of pocket $3.98. However, Walgreens Cash is going to give you $4 back, making these completely free. And you can use Walgreens Cash to pay for these. So if you don't want to pay a high out of pocket, you can use your Walgreens Cash to pay for these and get $4 back. So really awesome. In fact, that's going to go for all of these items here. The next thing is the soft soap. So you want to grab 4 of these soft soap hand soaps. It is a 7.5 ounce. Now these are $1.99 each, but they are on sale this week for buy one, get one 50% off. So that's going to take your total to $5.97. Then you want to use the 75-cent off 1 digital coupon. Make sure you have that loaded. Out of pocket, you would pay $5.22, but you're going to get $4 in Walgreens Cash back, making the final cost for these just $1.22 or 31 cents each, which is a really great price on these. And again, you can use your Walgreens Cash to pay your out of pocket and then get that $4 back. All right, probably my favorite deal is going to be the soft soap. So soft soap body wash here is regularly priced $3.99. You want to grab 2 of them for this deal. That's going to take you up to $7.98. You want to use the $1 off 1 digital coupon. So make sure you load that. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $6.98. And you will then get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. So your final cost for these are just $1.98 total or 99 cents each, which is awesome. So let's look at my receipt here real quick. I ordered these on the 17th. I did pick them up on the exact same date. Now, something that I did use, there was a code for new you that I used to actually lower the price of the products here. So like the Colgate total, instead of being $3.99, it brought it down to $3.79. I'm still getting these for completely free. It just lowered it a little bit for my out of pocket. Soft soap was still $7.28, and that is the body wash. And then the other soft soap is going to be $5.44 when you purchase 4 of them. Okay, so a little bit different than what I just showed you, but that is because you may not be able to use that code yourself. As you can see, my coupons came off. My 75-cent off of soft soap, my 3 $79. It should be $4 off of two if I had not used that code. So it lowered it down to one freebie. And remember, we're going to get $4 back. So we're actually going to make a little money on that one. Soft soap, the body wash is going to be the $1 off there. So subtotal is $14.76. I did have $1.21 of tax. So that's going to bring my total to $15.97. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash, and that I paid for $5.97. Okay, so I had no change back on that. Promotional savings, that is that new U that I had for $1.62. So that's that extra savings that took off there. But so then as you can see, I got $13.04 back. That is $4 for soft soap, the hand soap, $4 for the Colgate, and then $5 for the soft soap body wash. So that is amazing. But on top of it, I also got money back from Rakuten. So after Rakuten, it gave me back $1.42 for just simply clicking on Rakuten first before I made my online purchase. And that is going to bring my final total for everything you see here down to just 30 cents. Can you imagine? I got all of this for 30 cents. This is craziness. I don't even know that I need to divide it up into individual costs because this is just an amazing deal. So if you want to see more Walgreens online deals, because I think I'm going to try to do an online deal every week because it's super simple. I can do it from home and go grab it, and it doesn't take me very long to put together. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these easy Walgreens deals. Otherwise, have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.